Yours truly with an unboxing video. It is November the 4th, 2024, at 5:14 p.m. Radisson, thank you, man, for sending these out. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for sending these trains out. Um, these are some of the locomotives that I sent Radisson way back when, like years and years ago, to get custom decaled and painted. Um, I don't even remember what they look like. Yeah, so thank you, Rad, for, sending them back to me. I know things have been crazy with life and everything. But thank you for sending these back. Appreciate it. He did say there was a surprise in here for me. So I'm gonna open this up and see. Um, or surprises. I don't really know what's in here. I have no idea. So, okay, so we have okay, my one SD24R. Okay, I'm going to finish that one. And then my other one. Oh, wow. He sent me a SD40R. Dude, thank you. I really appreciate it. Wow. And I don't have an SD40R. Wow. So, wow. I got to check that out. Oh, he sent me one of these panel trucks. Spectre's Linen Service. That's pretty cool. Nice. A GSD flat car? Nah, 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 nah. Nah. Wait a minute, man. Wait a minute. I gotta see this. Wait a second. Let me see if I can open this with one hand. No, no way. No way. No way. Dude. Wait, let me take this out of the box. I've always wanted one of these, but I just never actually got around to buying one. The closest one I have to this car is a Red Ball kit that I custom painted. My goodness, this thing is amazing. Wow, and it's weathered too? Dude, thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what to... Dude, this is wicked. It's got the rollerberry trucks, which they actually turn. Let me see if I can get that to focus. So they actually turn. Wow. Like I'm speechless right now. Wow. Wow. I need to look at that in more detail because I've always wanted one of those cars and I just never got around to buying one. But this company makes some good trains. Wow. That is cool. Now, this is my Jeep 35R that I was doing. Now, when I did this years and years and years ago, I kind of was trying to go for like a faded look, if you could see, but I actually used sandpaper, but I sanded off some of the door latches on the unit, if you guys can see that. Yeah, I kind of sanded off some of the door latches. I think there's a kit out there where you can actually buy the door latches and you can actually glue them back on. I think there's a kit out there for that, but this is basically my rendering of the Jeep 35R to pair up with my other one that Radisson made me. It's been so long since I've seen this engine. Wow. Wow. Um yeah, but wow. It brings back some memories. And then these are the decals that I'm going to put on it. So I can just do that. The railings, I'm pretty sure the railings are in here. Yep, the railings are in here. So they're already painted. Thanks, man. They're already painted. So let me see. I still got to do some weathering on this thing, and I'll be able to do that. That's not a big deal. I can do that. Um, Let me take out the SD24R. Or is it? Where's it? The SD24R. This unit would have been the. This is actually the last unit. This one's actually a lot different than the other ones. If I can actually get it out, because I remember putting it in here. This one I really went all out. I kind of was mimicking um, the Bessemer and Lake Erie SD24s or SD18s, if I'm getting that wrong. But then I was also kind of going freelancing, like you have a GE style bell on the roof. Uh, let me see, piece of foam right there. I'll get that off, but that's what I was going for with this unit. Let me see if there's anything else in here, because it has a full railing kit. Oh, yep, railings and everything are in here, so that's cool. I'll finish this off because I really didn't have any projects to keep me busy. So I'm going to be finishing these up. This engine here is supposed to be a patch job. But I'll get around to doing that eventually. But yeah, these are... Oops, something came out of the box. I think this goes in here. If not, it'll go with the other one, because I'm pretty sure it goes with one of the two. But these are the old Atlas Classic units. So these are... Well, not Classic. This is the Silver Series. Both of these are the Silver Series. But yeah, let me take this out, because this is... to be honest, I actually looked at buying one of these, but I never actually bought one. I looked to buying one, but I never actually bought one. But he threw this in here. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is sick. Like, and I've always liked the oddball SD units, like the SD40Rs, SD45Rs, or the SD40Ms, I think that's what they're called. SD40Ms or SD40, what are they? The rebuilt SD45s that SP did. I think they're SD40 M-2s or SD45 M-2s or SD40 something. I'm probably getting it completely wrong, but let me just take this out. Wow. An SP SD40R. It's got the ditch lights too. I think this isn't from the Grime series, but I love the SP, like their units and everything. This will actually go good with my experimental scheme unit. It'll actually go good with that. And it's got sound and DCC to boot. Rad, thank you, man. I really appreciate this, dude. I am so happy. It's like early Christmas for me, man. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Ooh, it's got different fans on here. So there's 3 different styles of fans on here. And I guess that's based off of the prototype. Wow. That's really cool. So yeah, guys, this is my latest unboxing video. So I'm gonna be a busy man tonight. I got some stuff to do, but I'm gonna be busy. So I will keep you guys posted on this. I'm gonna try to work on these 3 units and see what happens with those, and then I'll go from there. But yeah, again, Rad, thank you. Really appreciate it. God bless you, man. Still praying for you and your family. Um, Everything's gonna work out. But yeah, thank you for getting these trains back to me. I really, really appreciate it, man. Really do. So you be cool, and everyone else be cool, and I will see you later. Peace, y'all.